Now the top part is done. Come to the other side. Keep putting a brake and stuff until the wheel reaches this level. Once again, you can still able to adjust it if you need it. I put it in correctly. So this is the riveted side, this comes outside. This other side here in a hole, there's no rivets, so this is the correct way of putting it in. Keep putting stuff, and it's still not, I would not be able to put the screw yet. I just push this in a bit more, and as you can see, now it's aligning almost. Yeah, nice, it goes in perfect. And now I can tighten both top and bottom. That's it, all done. Now I just need to remove all the support, and it's done, ready. That's all.